kahapon kasi nag-announce na rin si former VP Leni Robredo na hindi na daw siya tatakbo for a national post ng 2028. Para sa inyo po, realistically, who could be on that spot and who would have better chances na would go head-to-head with VP Sara Duterte?
Ako gusto ko savior eh.
Savior, gusto mo? Oo.
Di ba?
Well, maaga pa. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Baka hindi rin din naman ito cast in stone yung desisyon ni Mayor Leni. For all we know, talagang wait and see din kasi if the and this is just my assessment, if the vice president would be able to wither and be able to overcome the impeachment complaint or trial, and if the other side will not be able to consolidate by adding numbers and adding additional formidable force in their slate, might as well give it to VP Sara kasi steady yung numbers niya. Ang usapin dito kasi, Sir Lord, Ma'am Denise, is the base votes were in, kitang-kita natin na nakapirme ang numero at ang base votes nila sa Mindanao and half of Visayas. So mathematically, and coming from a political strategist point of view, kurut-kurut ka na lang dun sa isang percentage at of course, yun din it curbs public perception kasi ayan, kitang-kita na yung basis, yung paraan ng mga akusasyon ay basically yun nga di umano at again ang makakapagdesisyon lamang niyan is yung tamang avenue o proper venue para ilathala lahat itong mga impormasyon na to. But as it is, I think kung hindi magko-consolidate yung kabilang side, kung magiging bloke pa rin din ito ng mga pink, dilaw, mahihirapan pa rin din silang talunin ang puwersa ni VP Sara.